Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by confirming the exact device model and your operating system version so you get the matching driver. Once done, download the manufacturer's signed driver package. Never use unsigned files. Make a system restore point now so you can roll back if needed. Next, close apps that might use the device and note the current driver version in Device Manager. This immediate preparation avoids compatibility issues and saves time when you install the new driver. You open Device Manager and find the exact device entry, expand the category and right-click it. Choose Update Driver, then browse My Computer for drivers and pick Let Me Pick from a list. Next, point to the folder containing the manufacturer's driver or select the specific. In File, make sure the publisher is signed and trusted. Once chosen, follow prompts to install. Accept any kernel mode driver warnings only if it matches the vendor. This controlled method prevents mismatch. You finish by rebooting the system so the new driver fully initializes. Many drivers require a restart to register services and kernel modules. After reboot, open Device Manager and verify the driver version and date match the package you installed. Run the device-specific diagnostics or a quick test to confirm functionality. If something goes wrong, use the System Restore Point or the Rollback Driver option in Device Manager. This quickly returns you to the prior working state.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.